In this video, I'm gonna tell you the 5 things that I would do differently if I was just learning how to trade Forex. What's up? My name is Casey Jackson, and I've been trading Forex for about the past 6 years, and I have learned quite a few things along the way. Now, here on YouTube, what I do is to help new and experienced Forex traders navigate their way through these Forex streets. And in this video, I'm just going to share with you some things that I've learned, some things that I would do, some things that I wouldn't do if I were to have to start my Forex trading journey over again. You know, over the years, you guys have sent some questions in, and I kind of got an idea of where you are. And I want to save you some pain, some heartache, and most importantly, some money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you can be well prepared to navigate these streets. The main thing that I hear from Forex traders on YouTube is, what broker should I use, Casey? What broker is available in the US? What broker is available in Africa? Now, I would love to share with y'all, you know, the top brokers that I think you should be working with, but because I do not have my Series 34, it is actually illegal for me to do that. But that's neither here nor there. Let me get to the main point. The main point, if you are new, like you just starting off, just starting off, you shouldn't be worried about depositing money with a Forex broker, because you are at least 90 days away in order to be able to get into the Forex market and profitably trade. I'm telling you, they call it like paying the market tuition, because you're gonna lose your money. I've been there, I've done it. If you have not watched my video, I lost almost $10,000 in a matter of 3 days after I built up an account to the market. And that was because I didn't understand some really necessary components in order to maintain my account while growing and scaling it. So don't be in a rush to put your money into the market. That should not be the first thing that you do. You can definitely do your research in order to find a broker that you can deposit with, but I would not be opening a live account if you've been trading for less than 90 days or if you are not consistently profitable. I'm telling you, you're gonna lose your money. Learn from me. I've been there, I've done that. You don't want to do it. The second thing that I would do is I would identify what type of trader I want to be. And I'm sure you're probably asking, I'm brand new, I don't know, what type of traders are there? Well, there are scalpers, and that means that you're staying in the market a very short time. You're in and out of trades. You're taking, I don't want to say risky positions, because that's not all the way true, but you're leveraging a higher amount in order to make money within the market. But you're in and out. I would say like in under an hour, maybe even less. So you're trading like the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart in order to catch your setups. And then there's intraday trading. And that basically means that you're in and out of a trade within 1 day. And so you can find setups on the 30-minute, on the hour. You typically won't go to like a 4-hour chart in order to find those setups. That's more so swing trading, which is the last and final type of trader, swing trader. And that is what I am. I chose that type of trading because I had to get real with myself. When I first started, I was trying to scalp, and given my personality type, given the responsibilities that I had on a day-to-day basis, I was in grad school, I was working full-time, I was trying to be a sister, a niece, a daughter, you know, all of those things. My time was limited, so I wasn't able to sit at the computer all day on a regular basis in order to find trading setups. So I realized quickly that swing trading was something that I needed to pursue. Now, I'm not saying, you know, you don't ever have to be on the charts as a swing trader, but I dedicate a set amount of time each week to go through, find setups, and when the market opens, I set my limits, I set my stops, and then I let it just run. Now, I monitor my trades. I definitely go in and I look and see, you know, where I am, but I'm not marking up charts in the week in order to find a setup. I've already done that work on the weekend, so I can kind of just go and live my life and do what I got to do. So I think you got to be really real with yourself. You have to figure out what's going to work for you as far as your personality type, and then also your responsibilities, like your day-to-day life. What do you have to do? What are you committed to? And how much time can you honestly dedicate to learning this skill? Now, once you've identified what kind of trader you are, the next step, find one good source of education. When I came into this industry, I joined through a multi-level marketing company. In that multi-level marketing company, there were several instructors and they all had different styles. And I hadn't identified who was a swing trader, who was doing intraday trades. I didn't know. I was just following everybody. And because I was following everybody and because I was not clear on the type of trader that I wanted to be, it lengthened my learning curve. And so in order to save you some time, in order to save you some headache, I'm just trying to tell you, identify what kind of trader you want to be. And then if you are looking on YouTube to find somebody to help you through your journey, put in that style of trading. You know, search for swing traders, search for intraday traders, search for scalping trading strategies, and then find somebody that you resonate with. Like, you can learn from one of the top people in the industry, right? But if the way they teach does not make sense to you, it's not going to benefit you, right? You're not going to be able to get the most out of that experience with them. So if you find somebody that you connect with, that you resonate with, follow that person and only follow that person. Do not mix in a whole bunch of people at once. Once you build a solid foundation, meaning that you've gotten to the point that you can be consistently profitable, then you can start adding in other elements in order to make that strategy that they may have taught you your own. You can build in extras in order to fine tune it and tweak it so that it's your own. Now, the next thing that I would do is I would find a community of traders. Oh, I can remember there were many lonely nights, especially the night that I could not sleep because I had a migraine, because I had been up all night after my homework from grad school trying to trade. I was losing, I was messing up my account, and I had nobody to talk to. Nobody to talk to. So I would say finding a community of traders is highly important. Finding a community of traders who trade like you, that's gonna be even better, okay? It means all the world to me now, the group that I've put together and that I've cultivated. You know, I love seeing people post within the Facebook group about, hey, what do you think about this? This is what I'm thinking on this trade. What do you think? You know, so being able to get some feedback, being able to connect with people as far as their experience, and taking pieces of their experience that you think will benefit and help you grow is everything. Trading can be a lonely place. I really mean it. It can be. So if you can find a group of people that you can connect with, that can hold you accountable, that can introduce you to new ideas, that will be your sounding board, then you absolutely need to connect with that group. So find you a group of like-minded people, not the people who talk about the cars and the Lambos and the houses. Those things are nice, but when it comes down to it, you want some stuff with some substance. You know, you want some people with experience. You want people who can actually add value to your experience, your growth, and your trading journey. All right. So look for that group, that community of people who are going to help you along the way. The final thing that I would do, and that should have been number one, and I shouldn't say final because I got one more after that. Sorry, y'all. But the second to the final thing that I would do is I would understand risk management a whole lot faster, because this was very late into the game that I understood what risk management was. So I had figured out how to find setups. I had figured out how to scale my account. But when I got to a certain level, I would blow the account because I didn't understand the components of risk management and how it impacted how I would grow. So understand risk management. And if you're looking for a way to kind of deep dive into that, I've got a few videos, and I'll actually link it in the cards and in the description that you can take a look at, so you can understand that you don't have to have an 80% win rate, strike rate, in order to be profitable in the Forex market. The name of the game is being able to stay in the game. So even if you take, I think there was an example I did, even if you take 7 losses, if your risk is right, you could have 3 winners and still be in profit. I know that sounds crazy, but it's absolutely a fact. So take risk management seriously, understand it in and out. And the faster you do that, the faster you'll be on your way to becoming a profitable trader. Now, the last thing that I would recommend is, once you've done all of these things, you've built up your foundation, you've got a consistent strategy that proves to work time and time again, I would say that you need to connect with a prop firm. Now, if you have $10,000 lying around that you could put into your trading account, by all means, go ahead and do it. But for a lot of traders, the reason that they are unsuccessful is because they are undercapitalized. And a prop firm is basically going to allow you to test and evaluate and show that you can trade on a consistent basis while staying within their risk parameters and reaching their profit targets. Once you demonstrate that you have that skill set, they're going to give you access to their capital. Now, it does come at a cost. It does not mean that that's a scam. It's just the cost of doing business, right? Once you pass that and you're able to show and prove that you could trade, then they're going to give you access to the capital. And I'm going to tell you what it's going to do for you. It's going to allow you to make money faster. It's going to allow you to take larger positions in an account than you would be able to take in your $500 account or in your $100 account. So you're not blowing the account fast, you know. So prop firms, to me, I think there's a place for them in this industry. I think they serve a valuable purpose. I think they give people an opportunity that they otherwise may not have had. So I would say, you know, once you've proven yourself, you've proven a strategy, then it's time to start doing some homework on prop firms. And if you don't know what a prop firm is, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I am going to be putting out a series of videos that explain in detail how these firms work, why they're here, how you can choose a good prop firm. And then I'm even going to tell you guys the prop firm that I'm a fan of 100%. Okay. So those are the 5 things that I think you should be doing as a new trader. I think it's going to shorten your learning curve. I think it's going to help you build a solid foundation. And I think it's going to set you well on your way to becoming a consistently profitable trader. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I am so glad to have you here. If you've learned anything from this video, consider subscribing to the channel, and then also give the video a thumbs up and share it with somebody. If it makes sense for you and you like, dang, she talking true, share it with somebody, because they'll probably think the same thing too, and you guys can learn and grow together. And then I mentioned about that community. If you're looking for a community of people, no hype, no fluff. Unfortunately, we don't talk about Lambos. We don't talk about all those things. Check out the link in my video description so that you can go ahead and join my no-cost Forex Facebook mastermind group. All right, I'm glad that you watched this video. I hope that your journey of learning how to trade Forex is all the more improved for the time that you spent and learning these tips, and I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.